Brand new day. Brand new review. Trying this one now, see if it's any good. 3. I'm getting something, but I don't know if it's a honey or vanilla.
Vanilla.
It's got the oats and the nuts come out more in this. It's not as like yogurty as the other one.
It tastes like honey vanilla yogurt parfait, but like just the oats and nuts.
The honey and the vanilla makes the oats taste more like oats. The other thing was like being smacked in the mouth with strawberry icing and yogurt. This is like actually tastes like whole grains. I think I prefer this one.
But still good.
You think this is better? I think this is better.
I prefer the strawberry just because I like cereal bars.
Okay. We have the cereal replacement for cereal bars.